Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. You probably know some of my favorite audio plugins are vocoding plugins. In this Waves audio mini-series where I'm looking at my favorite Waves plugins, I've got a really good one for you today. Okay, the plugin is called Morphoder from Waves. It's been around for years and it does an amazing job. If you want to get it with 10% off, go to mrc.fm/waves. And if you like what I'm doing, hit like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and ding the bell so you never miss another video from me. Right, here we are in Adobe Audition, and here is Waves Morphoder loaded up. Now, if I disable it, we'll listen to Chelsea from Music Radio Creative speaking this DJ drop.
Funky as you like. Uplifting your soul.
Nice.
Let's do this.
Okay, very cool. But with this enabled Morphoder, we can do all kinds of cool things. Morphoder Major Tom preset is pretty good.
Funky as you like.
Nice singing there. We can also go for Robbie the Robot.
Funky as you like. Uplifting your soul.
So much more is possible here. One of my favorite presets is from Mike Hedges, actually, the Hedges Very Useful vocoder. Let's listen to this.
Funky as you like. Uplifting your soul.
And if you feel like some of the frequencies are missing from the voice, you can boost up around the mid-range.
Funky as you like. Uplifting your soul. Funky as
Push up the high end, maybe roll off some of the bass, and we can actually change the shape of that if we want in some way. Whatever we really want to do to just get rid of some of that bass.
funky as you like.
And when we actually then go ahead and apply that Morphoder effect, you'll see it kind of thins stuff out. So you might want to go ahead and add on a bit of a compressor. I'll do this here on Audition using a nice compressor. Let's use that kind of ratio. Maybe run it up against a limiter as well.
Funky as you like.
Let's look at the before and after view so we can see what we're kind of dealing with here. Let's push this right up. Oh, that's probably a bit loud.
Funky as you like. Uplifting your soul. Let's do this.
So as you can hear with Morphoder, in just a matter of time, we get a really great sounding vocoded vocal. Obviously with a bit of compression thrown on, it sounds excellent. You can throw it into a mix, make a jingle out of it. Morphoder from Waves, and any other plugin with 10% off using my link at mrc.fm/waves. Let me know in the comments down below what you're going to be morphoding next.